Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by defining a single, concrete coding task you want AI to improve. Focus sharpens outcomes. Next, collect a minimal, clean dataset, 100 to 1,000 examples, so the model sees realistic patterns. Then pick one tool and run a tiny experiment, a code LLM prompt, a model API call, or a local model. Keep iterations short. Once done, evaluate correctness and runtime. Make sure to log inputs, outputs, and failure cases so you can iterate quickly. You now iterate, refine prompts, or perform light fine-tuning with 5 to 10 feedback cycles, guiding the model toward your coding style. Simultaneously, add unit tests, static type checks, and micro benchmarks that measure milliseconds and memory to prevent regressions. Then integrate automation, continuous integration that runs your validation, enforces coverage thresholds, and flags performance drops. Once tests pass consistently, deploy a canary release. Make sure to track model drift and input distribution changes to catch subtle failures early. You finish by deploying incrementally. Start with a canary, monitor errors, and collect user feedback to validate real-world behavior. Also finalize reproducibility. Version model artifacts, store prompts, and log deterministic seeds so you can replay runs. If issues appear, reproduce the failure locally, add targeted unit or integration tests, and then adjust prompts, training data, or safety filters. One key troubleshooting tip: when outputs drift, revert to the last known good model, compare diffs, and run a focused /b to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.